GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Jensen and Nicholson Paints. Whenever you see color, think of us.
Remax, my device, my life. Coming soon.
Firstly, I'd like to say, have you ever heard me speaking anything about that XYZ person?
No.
Have you ever heard me tweeting anything? Have you ever heard me giving any interview?
No.
No, right? Because I have that respect and regard. So, I don't know why is it happening from the other side time and again. I remember my dad was really sad and he said ki, you know, I mean, itne saal kaam kiya, sab hua, and thoda sa end mein, you know, it was not very बहुत ही अच्छे नोट पे एंड नहीं हुआ. Right after I left the show, he said in next 3-4 days he took a promise for me and said कि promise me you will never speak ill about anyone from that show. Now he's not there, so how can I break the promise? जो बहुत बोलता है ना, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो सही हो, और जो कम बोलता है ना या नहीं बोलता है, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो गलत हो.
The whole bit of body shaming that has happened with Aishwarya Rai Bachchan.
The way she talks, the way she carries herself, yeah, really? I mean, we are not even 0.5% there, and you're trolling her. Everyone goes through phases, yaar. Everyone, you don't know what the other person is going through, yaar. आपको अंदाजा नहीं है कि जो influencers वहाँ गए हैं, उन्होंने 6-6 महीने मेहनत की होगी, probably to source an outfit for them.
Absolutely.
And
it's not easy.
And it's not easy. What do you expect? Everyone in custom Dior and Dolce & Gabbana? Really?
Every time I meet her, there's something that I take away from her. Sometimes it's kindness. Sometimes it's just niyat. Actually, always it's just niyat. I think a lot of people don't really know who the real Hina Khan is, but everybody who knows her knows that she's absolutely real every time that you meet her or she gives you that warm hug. So Hina joins me for a conversation on Galata India, and I can't be happier today. Thank you for doing this.
After ages.
After ages.
This guy has been after my life for like, I think the longest time.
Thank you for saying that.
I swear. नहीं मैं on camera बोल रही हूँ. It is my fault. I apologize to every friend of mine. I am apologizing to Nayan on camera because it's not him, it's not his fault. I am that I don't give interviews, I don't come out. It's not his fault.
But can I tell you something? In a previous interview when you were saying now that I am the most available on WhatsApp, but I don't meet. I was sitting there, I was like, you know, true. This is the truth. This is the truth.
Isn't it?
It is.
Like on WhatsApp, on Instagram,
like,
I reply back to him. But जैसे he says ना मिलना है, बस ऐसे हो जाता है, पता नहीं कुछ ऐसा fog सा जमा हो जाता है सामने, like नहीं, घर से बाहर नहीं निकलना, नहीं WhatsApp पे करो क्या करना है, घर से बाहर नहीं निकलना. That's me.
But you know, Hina, there's something lovely.
And I'm sorry.
It's absolutely fine. I understand. There's something lovely about you. You know, there was a point of time. I remember my first conversation ever with you, where you were trying to transition. Today, that transition has successfully happened, you know. In the beginning, there has been so much of confusion, so much of not understanding the whole industry space from a different...
Of course.
Because you have been an outsider forever. Today, the space that you are in, are you happy? What would you tell that Hina who was transitioning from TV into films and web?
Girl, I'm so proud of you for not losing it and accepting change gracefully. I am so proud of you. Had you given up, you wouldn't have been where you are today. I am proud of you.
But Hina, how many people must have actually discouraged you from walking out of TV at that point when you were like the number one?
अभी भी discourage कर रहे हैं यार. कौन है जो discourage नहीं कर रहा है? अभी भी discourage कर रहे हैं. यहाँ, वहाँ, इधर, उधर. I just don't know why. I mean, why? I don't know, Nayan. I don't bother people.
That's true.
I'm so busy in my own life. I am a very peaceful person. I don't judge anybody.
That's true.
I don't write anything evil or bad about anything negative about people. पता नहीं मुझे फिर भी क्यों इतना God knows why, but I think I should focus on good things in my life, and that's what I'm doing, because a lot of good things are happening in my life, so I'd like to focus on that, touch wood. तो बाकी क्या करें अभी यार, क्या करें, क्या बताओ मुझे.
But you know, the worst is that the people who are discouraging you or judging you also, you are also extremely proud of your roots. Like, I'm saying that because we've had conversations, right, which are off record completely on WhatsApp, where I've seen you take stands for fellow TV actors because they have been judged, right?
Yeah, I know. You're talking about, if I may take the name, if you're okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you're talking about Ankita, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. I was extremely upset about that. So, you know, you don't know what, I mean, you don't know what an actor goes through, yeah. It's very easy for you to judge anyone and write certain things because probably you don't like the person. So it's not done. See, Ankita is not my, like, I've met her a couple of times. We're not best of friends.
Yeah.
You know, it's just that हम parties में, award functions में 2-4 बार टकराए हैं, मिले हैं. We've not even partied together.
That's
not
true.
even once.
That's true.
But then for me, जो तब कहा गया था, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ये पूरी fraternity को, you know, आपने, you are, yeah. So I really felt that I should speak about it and give my opinion. And luckily, उस पे Miss Ekta Kapoor ने ऐसे stamp मार दिया, and you know, she put it out that whatever she put out that time. So yeah, I think my point was proven.
Absolutely, and I feel you are very righteous. And most times when you are righteous in life, now you will always have opposition. Right?
Yeah, and I think कभी-कभी ना बिल्कुल जब आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा I don't know, I feel बहुत ज़्यादा kindness भी ना कभी-कभी आपको नुकसान पहुंचाती है. You agree to this?
Ask me about it. I feel if you're too kind, today we are living in a world where kindness is more exploited than valued. Don't you think?
Yeah. आपकी kindness को भी लोग सोचते हैं कि नहीं, इसके पीछे भी कोई reason होगा. See, I am that kind of a person. I believe, at least, I don't know whether I am kind or not, but I believe in being kind.
You are.
So,
let me tell you that.
Thank you. So, ये भी कभी, you know, people take it wrong कि नहीं, इसके पीछे भी इसका कोई मकसद है. That's why a lot of times I don't put a lot of things out on social media. And a lot of times I think कि मेरा opinion देना ज़रूरी नहीं है. It's okay. Let people say what they want to say. It's sad. It's extremely sad, but what to do?
Yeah.
तो मैं पूछ रही हूँ भाई, बता दे what to do?
When you talk about kindness now, I think people should know this. That in an interview previously you said that there are so many times people have judged you and apologized. I'm one of them, and you know that. And I do it blatantly because that was my mistake. I also want to say why you are kind is because I remember.
But I didn't say it because I know. Swear to God, I didn't say it because you were sitting in front of me.
I know that.
ये recently मेरे साथ हुआ है.
No, I think people, because when people get to know you, they see a different side of it. That's what I was coming to. I remember you were one of the first few people from the industry who had called me once my mother got COVID, in the first wave of COVID, and we've had like 30-40 minutes of conversation when I was in Calcutta, and not many people do that. So people should know that you come from that space.
People know. I am telling you, people know. I am telling you, I reach out to people if they are unwell, they are hospitalized. When I'm praying, when I sit for my namaz, I pray for them. I message them. I'm sitting. When I go to Makkah, Medina, I pray for them. I'm not exaggerating. Ask these people. I'll give you names. I don't want to say all these names on camera, but I reach out to them. So it's not ki I don't care. I care, but it's just that it's not out there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So it's not that I have done this to you. I do it to people, and people have done that to me as well. Like people have reached out to me when I lost my father. So अगर मैं उनके लिए कुछ कर सकती हूँ, what least can you do? Dua, right?
That's true.
So yeah. Why are you laughing?
But the best thing is that when you transitioned, today there are so many web series that you have been doing, right? And diligently you are doing different things in your career, right? Do you see that shift? Do you see that shift in people's nazariya? Because this show is this is a very different space also. It's comedy, it's got murder, it's got everything. Do you see that shift of people's perception towards actors, especially like you?
There is a lot of acceptance now. There is more acceptance. Pehle, when I started off, when I switched from television to different mediums, thoda acceptance kam tha. Abhi, I feel ki people are ready to see me in different lights, in different light, probably playing different characters. So that kind of excites me, and that's the reason I said yes to this character, and I knew people will instantly like Rubia, and that's what happened. So yes. Abhi acceptance zyada hai.
If you go on the trailer also of the show and you read the comments, have you read the comments? I was gonna do it, but chalo mera phone thoda ye ho gaya. But I want to tell you that the comments are like, we are gonna watch this show only for Hina Khan. Okay, Hina as Rubia is fire. I think a little bit of charge is left, so I should read out a few comments.
How sweet.
Because I feel that as an artist, you look forward to appreciation. You know, it's not about validation, but the fact that when you are doing your art and people are loving it and people are looking and rooting for you is the biggest.
अब ये देखो, ये एक और चीज़ है, मैं मेरे बारे में बताना चाहूँगी. लोग काम करते हैं, उसके बाद चाहते हैं कि उनको सराहा जाए, उनको उसका appreciation मिले. मैं फ़ोन बंद करके बैठ जाऊँगी.
क्यों?
I don't know. I will not. You said comments पढ़े, some people are favoring me, loving me and all that. I have not even read one comment.
I'm gonna read it for you guys. Everybody whose comments I'm reading. Neeraj Patel IND has written Hina Khan at her best with 2 fire emojis. Anime bento box as in भाइयों और बहनों, मैं सिर्फ हिना खान के लिए इस वेब सीरीज को देखूंगा क्योंकि हिना खान looking extremely good. And again fire. Cast Hina Khan for more projects. Venkatesh Venki 5457. We've been saying this for the longest time. Cast her. Do you feel that there is this outlet with these projects that will put you on a bigger map, especially for producers and directors?
Absolutely. Absolutely. That's the reason sometimes even if your role is shorter or you know कि आप इसमें भी उभर के आओगे, you pick it up. Because you love the character. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है as an artist, I feel कि आप एक story पे focus करते हैं, आप ये focus नहीं करते हैं कि उसमें आपका काम कितना है. Because आपको पता है आपका जितना भी appearance है, you're going to kill it. Let me just put it this way. You're going to kill it.
Say it. Don't compromise on your honesty for the sake of modesty.
No. Not at all. Not at all. I don't do that. Yeah.
You know, today when we meet Sangeeta is getting so much love for Hira Mandi as well.
Yeah, she looked so gorgeous. Yeah, so gorgeous.
I think people are starting to value actors because TV actors come with a lot more discipline. And you know,
पहले तो baggage, but जब आप उनके साथ काम करेंगे, आपको पता चलेगा कि उनके अंदर कितना discipline है. कितना डिसिप्लिन है. इनफैक्ट मैंने अभी रिसेंटली कहीं तो कहा था कि आई डोंट थिंक दुनिया का ऐसा कोई भी मीडियम है, हार्ड वर्किंग मीडियम है, जहां डे इन डे आउट यू स्लॉग. इंडियन टेलीविजन से ज्यादा आप कहीं पर कोई ऐसा मीडियम नहीं है जहां आप इतनी मेहनत करते हैं.
That's true.
डे इन डे आउट फॉर years. आई डोंट थिंक कोई मीडियम है? There's no other medium. You see television abroad, how peacefully and they get offs, they get everything, how they work. See, it's seasonal and everything. Not like you're doing it for years and you're slogging.
16-17 hours every day.
16-17 hours every day. There is no other medium like Indian television in the world. जिस तरह से आप Indian television में आप मेहनत करते हैं और slog करते हैं.
That is true.
It teaches you discipline. It teaches you a lot, yaar. I mean, I know, it stayed with me. Technicalities, like your DOP is like, what a star she is, man. मतलब चलते shot में you tell her little left, little right, she does it with expressions.
That's true.
So, you know, all these technicalities and everything television teaches you.
There are people who worked with you who've actually always credited you for being so diligent and disciplined, like I said. Even the makers of this show, they have come out and spoken so highly about you. But sometimes when certain people actually come out and say anything which has to do with portraying a side to you in front of people which you may not actually be, does that bother you as an artist, as a human being? Because you don't come out and speak about it, but does that bother you?
I think firstly I'd like to say, have you ever heard me speaking anything about that XYZ person?
No.
Have you ever heard me tweeting anything? Have you ever heard me giving any interview?
No.
No, right? Because I have that respect and regard. So I don't know why is it happening from the other side time and again. I just don't get it. Not that I would like to talk about it, and I don't want to. These guys have given me my first break. And I have that respect and that regard for them. And I remember when I left my first ever show, I don't know, should I be saying this anymore or not? But nonetheless, I will stick to what I did. When I left the show, I remember my dad was really sad and he said ki, you know, I mean, itne saal kaam kiya, sab hua, and थोड़ा सा एंड में यू नो इट वाज नॉट वेरी बहुत ही अच्छे नोट पे एंड नहीं हुआ यू नो व्हाट आई मीन मतलब ऐसा भी नहीं कि ऐसा था कि मतलब अब तो एक दूसरे की शक्ल ही नहीं देखेंगे कभी बट it wasn't that nice, it wasn't that pleasant. That's okay, hota hai, it's okay, time heals everything. At least time has healed me completely. मुझे अब कोई गिला कोई शिकवा नहीं है. But I remember he was extremely sad and he said right after I left the show, he said in next 3-4 days he took a promise for me and said ki, promise me you will never speak ill about anyone from that show.
Your father?
Yes, he said that. He said you will never ever speak ill about anyone, no matter what. Probably you didn't like 2 things, they may have not liked 4. But you will not speak ill about them ever. So I stick to that. Now he's not there. So how can I break the promise? So I am not going to say anything. And I will only say that I have a lot of regard, lot of respect, and that will always be there in my heart. No hard feelings. पर मैं उसके साथ एक और चीज़ कहना चाहूँगी कि यू नो नयन कभी कभी क्या होता है ना जो बहुत बोलता है ना ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो सही हो और जो कम बोलता है ना या नहीं बोलता है ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो गलत हो.
True. Well said.
That's all.
But you know, that's what makes you so good. I feel that we are all eventually coming out from, we have a different core system, which no matter what our experiences are, will never change. When you speak about your father and your mother and your family giving you this upbringing, you are this person because of how you have been brought up.
Yeah.
That's the biggest treasure, right? The kind of upbringing that you've had. You may come from a conservative family, but they didn't stop you from living your dreams. But they also made sure that you live your dreams in the proper manner.
Gracefully.
Right? Absolutely.
Yeah, gracefully. Yes, absolutely. He knew things may get a little, you know, not very pleasant. He knew this. उन्होंने foresee कर ली थी ये चीज़. तो उन्होंने मुझसे पहले ही promise ले लिया कि sweetheart, you do what you want to do in life, but you will never speak. No matter what happens, no matter what सामने वाला says, you will not say a word. You will maintain your grace.
Yeah.
And I stick to that.
Yeah.
अब तो वो है नहीं. How can I break the promise?
We will not be breaking that promise for sure.
Yeah.
But when you talk about grace, grace had a different meaning when you walked the Cannes red carpet. And I want to tell you that we felt so proud that year. There was everybody walking. I have personally seen this in my workspaces previously, where I've seen a clear divide between TV and films. And at one point, I used to interview film actors, and there was my best friend who you know, Bhavna, who would do TV reporting. And there was a clear divide. And देखो मेरे को तो फिर भी वैल्यू ज़्यादा मिलती थी ना, पर मुझे वो अच्छा नहीं लगता था कि उसको कैसे वैल्यू दिया जाता था, राइट? तो मुझे ना हमेशा से बराबरी, मैं चाहता हूँ कि हर चीज़ में बराबरी हो, और दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई हैव ऑलवेज फॉट फॉर, नॉट फॉर मी, आई फॉट फॉर एवरीबडी. आई लव्ड हाउ यू स्टूड योर ग्राउंड. Today when we talk about Cannes again, one thing that has left me furious, and I've posted also, it's not like I'm talking to you and I'm saying it, is the whole bit of body shaming that has happened with Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. You may or may not like what she was wearing, you may have an opinion, although I don't know why, because we are sitting here and giving opinions about somebody who's been walking and representing India on a global platform for like years, decades, and there are so many other new people who have walked on their own accord, like they've done something right. But the judgment is, and the scrutiny is exhausting. It happened during your times also. How did you deal with it, and what do you think should change?
I didn't do anything. There were people who spoke up for me, you know that, right?
Absolutely.
I think similarly for She's Aishwarya Rai, yaar. Come on. She's the face of L'Oreal. She's been walking for L'Oreal for years. लोग तो बोलेंगे यार आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. आज भी वो इतनी ग्रेसफुल हैं. आप उनके इंटरव्यूज सुनो. It's like mic drop. It's like you just don't want anyone to talk in the room. And you just want to listen to the way she talks, the way she carries herself. Yeah, really? I mean, we're not even 0.5% there. And you're trolling her. Everyone goes through phases, yaar. Everybody, you don't know what the other person is going through, yaar. It's so easy for you to say, okay, some XYZ person is looking in a certain way, body, put on weight or lost weight. Who are we to judge? Similarly, I kept on saying about these influencers walking the carpet.
Absolutely.
Everyone is judging them left, right, and center, and they've started earning out of it. You know, their Instagram handles, they've started earning out of it by judging people. Really, you guys need to get a life. What are you doing? You're earning by judging people. यार कुछ अच्छा जिंदगी में कर लो यार. आपको अंदाजा नहीं है कि जो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स वहां गए हैं उन्होंने 6 महीने मेहनत की होगी probably to source an outfit for them.
Absolutely.
And
it's not easy.
And it's not easy. What do you expect? Everyone in custom Dior and Dolce and Gabbana? Really? नहीं होता है हर किसी से यार. आप ये इन्फ्लुएंसर्स कितना एफर्ट किया होगा इन्होंने. इनके लिए भी जिंदगी का सबसे बड़ा मोमेंट है. You think they'll let it go waste? You think so?
No.
No, right?
Why
so
would
who
they?
are we to judge? Who are we? I just don't know what to say यार. क्या हो गया है हमको यार. हम कुछ प्रोडक्टिव क्यों नहीं करते हैं जिंदगी में यार. By judging people, we are earning out of it.
But you know, it's the worst thing because Nawazuddin Siddiqui beautifully puts it in Bajrangi Bhaijaan that नफरत बड़ी आसानी से बिक जाती है, मोहब्बत उतनी आसानी से नहीं बिकती.
Unfortunate है ना, कितना unfortunate है. लोग ये पसंद भी करते हैं, लोग ये देखते भी हैं कि लोगों को जज किया जा रहा है, ये किया जा रहा है. यार आपको अंदाज़ा है कि उनके लिए उनकी ज़िंदगी का कितना बड़ा मोमेंट है ये, और उन्होंने 6 महीने मेहनत की होगी. अब हर कोई आपके हिसाब से हर कोई ऐसे परफेक्ट परफेक्ट शेप में विद अ परफेक्ट कस्टम डियोर में होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं होता है यार.
True.
ऐसा नहीं होता है. जिसकी जैसी अपीयरेंस है वो वैसा दिखेगा और खूबसूरत लगते हैं यार सब. Who are we to judge anyone? But we are judged. We judge people. I get judged. Everyone gets judged. Why? और सबसे irritating है when people are earning out of it, यार.
Finally जाते हैं.
क्या करें? बताओ.
कुछ नहीं होने वाला ये कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
But everything I ask you, Nayan, tell me what should we do?
But I think the person who's doing it is wrong. But the people who are watching it,
person who's doing it is not a problem.
Yeah.
People who are watching it is a problem.
I agree.
Unfortunately,
I agree.
it is us.
Agreed.
It's not the person who's doing it.
Absolutely. अगर कोई
And there's not one. There are many. With all due respect.
अगर कोई देखेगा नहीं तो वो करेंगे भी नहीं ना. वही है ना.
Views तो आप दे रहे हो ना.
बात वही है.
Bottom line.
But when we speak about Namakool, what's the most Namakool thing that you have done in life? You have to give me 2 things that you have done Namakool thing. बचपन का बोलोगे तो अभी का भी एक बोलना पड़ेगा कि लास्ट क्या किया ऐसा.
लास्ट मैंने क्या नामाकूल किया? लास्ट मैंने क्या ऐसी हरकत की जो नामाकूल की तो जरूर होगी. नो जेन्युइनली, पर याद नहीं है. जेन्युइनली याद नहीं है, पर कुछ तो ऐसा नामाकूल किया. हाँ, अभी मैंने रीसेंट वाला बताती हूँ. सो आई वाज देयर इन दिस प्रमोशनल इवेंट इन समवेयर इन पंजाब, जलंधर और समवेयर, एंड देयर वाज दिस. No, I'm not gonna say it. मुझे बहुत गाली.
Say it. It's funny.
What happened? मैंने एक नामाकूल हरकत की कि मैं पीछे के दरवाजे से भाग गई.
तो ये नामाकूल नहीं है.
नहीं, it is यार. People are waiting for you and all of that. You give them a 10 minutes appearance and then you run. Why I ran? I'll tell you the reason also. Because of the crowd. I knew I'll get mobbed. If I stay for another 2 minutes, I'll get mobbed. So and I get anxiety when I'm
in a crowd.
Yeah, in a crowd with a lot of people. So मेरी anxiety control नहीं हो रही थी. That's why I chose कि मैं पीछे के दरवाजे से निकल गई. So people really felt bad, but that was something which was very Namakool. I was not very proud of it, जिसके लिए मुझे बहुत ज्ञान भी मिला बाद में होटल में. पर yeah, this was one Namakool हरकत which I did. I just ran away.
But let me tell you, Hina, that however you are amazing. and you are beautiful inside out.
Thank you, Nayan.
I always say this to people who I know represents India on platforms with all due respect and grace, that please keep going places and take us along with you, and I know you will. Stay the person you are.
Thank you.
And just start meeting us more often.
I wish. I'll try. Lots of
you.
love.
Thank you.
Thank you.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Jensen and Nicholson Paints. Whenever you see color, think of us.
Remax, my device, my life. Coming soon.